Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy cryptocurrencies priced under $1, follow these step-by-step instructions to invest in affordable tokens with growth potential. Step 1. Research low-price cryptocurrencies using platforms like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Filter by price and market cap to find projects under $1. Step 2. Evaluate fundamentals beyond just price. Look at the project's use case, development team, community size, market cap, circulating supply, and recent partnerships. Step 3. Choose an exchange that lists the cryptocurrencies you want to buy. Major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and KuCoin offer numerous low-price tokens. Step 4. Create an account on your chosen exchange and complete the verification process. Fund your account with fiat currency or transfer existing cryptocurrency. Step 5. Search for your selected low-price cryptocurrency and review its trading pairs. Many sub-dollar tokens trade against USDT, BTC, or ETH. Step 6. Decide your purchase amount and place a market order for immediate purchase or a limit order to buy at a specific price point. Step 7. After purchase, consider your storage strategy. For larger holdings, transfer tokens to a personal wallet. Remember that low price doesn't guarantee high returns, and many low-price tokens are highly volatile or risky. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.